So if you want to add the caption to this table, let's add the caption for this table, a topic for the table. You can get the caption for a table using caption tag. I'll add a caption as data of web developers. Now let's see. You can see there's a tag. Here's the caption, data of web developers. You can align it also. I'll align it into left, align left. Now you can see sorry, align at top or bottom. I must done it bottom. Now you can see it has, the caption has changed into align at bottom, or you can use it as top. After saving, at top. You can also use it as your wish. If you like, if you are interested it on top, you can use it at top. If you are interested it at bottom, you can use it at bottom. If you want to get it bold, I have already taught you, you must use a B tag or a strong tag. Paste it and let's see, does it works? Now you can see it has changed into bold. If you want to add a foot for the table, you can add that also. How can you add a foot for the table? You can see at the first, as the first tag, I used a head tag, body tag, and now I'll use foot tag, the foot, table foot. But these things are not compulsory. Actually, this table head, table body, and table foot, these tags are not compulsory. It will work as same if you don't use these tags also. But using these table row tags and table head tags and table data tags, these are compulsory. So I'll use another table row tag here and use a table data here, and I can use something here. This is the foot of, this is the foot, it's enough. Okay, now let's see how does it works. You can see it is only at the first data position, at the first column, but I need it at the middle, so I can align it into middle, actually into center. Now let's see, does it works? You can see it has been centered, but only to the cell at this position. I need this at this position. Let's see how to get it. You can use the center tag and center for the alignment, and in this table data tag I need to merge all the cells, so I'll use a keyword called span, column span, and the number of columns to be spanned at this position is 1 2 3 4. So I'll select 4 here, and let's see does it works. And it works. So guys, now you know how to merge the cells, how to space the cells, and how to add pads for the cells, and how to add the caption, how to change the color, how to change the border, how to create a table without borders, and you have a thorough knowledge about tables. I have covered almost all the things, all the basic things about tables. Now let's add another HR tag here. I'll copy it from the top, black and size for you to get a horizontal line again. And I have got another line, and after that, now let's move to get some images and some links to our web page. Still, we haven't got any links for this and any images. Behalf of this background image, we haven't got any images as the data, as the body parts, and any links and any videos as the body parts. Now let's see how to get a video to our web page. You can use iframe tag at this position, and you can use the source here, and I'll go to my Chrome browser and search for YouTube, and let's select a video here. I'll select video here, ethical
In this training,
hacking,
we are learning how we can able to perform.
and I'll copy this link here, and I'll move into my code here and add this link here. Now I have added a link for this iframe, and let's see how does it works. You can see nothing has been still youtube.com refuses to connect. Okay, let's see it. I can add a width here. I'll add a width of you can choose it by okay, I'll add a width of 560 width, and I'll select a height of 300, and you can see the height and width of this iframe has changed. I'll try to get a video which could work here. So I'll add, now let's add okay, let's add the frame border here with one position, and I'll add a title of YouTube video, and I'll give the allowance here to autoplay, allow accelerate accelerometer rotation and autoplay rotation clipboard, clipboard right, um, encrypted media, gyroscope, picture in picture, picture in picture, and finally web share. Now let's share and let's allow it into full screen. Now let's see, does it gets the allowance? Not at all. Okay, I'll copy it from another code and copy it. Okay, I have copied another code that it works earlier. Now let's see, does it works again? So I save the code here and let's see. Now you can see for this works. This is our web page and the video has worked. If you want to change the video, let's try to change the video again. That access has get it and
The real world starts here.
let's get a video as this. Let's
Are you an online creator or business?
copy that link and I'll change this source into the copied one and let's save it. Let's see, still it refuses to connect. So that is the video refusing content, but you can see at this position this video is not refusing and it works and it plays. So that's the way to add a video by linking it to another website, actually for YouTube or for another website also it can be done. If you want to add photos using web, it also can be done using iframe, and the thing you must do is only to add the source here. Let's search a photo here and let's select a photo like this and let's copy. Let's copy the link and let's paste it. Save. You can see it refuses to connect, but I'll use another picture I have used earlier. So I'll use one. I used an image from bing.com and nothing. this worked earlier, so you can see it works really well. So it is just a website, and you can see it works clearly. I can do the search for also here, HTML entity middle.and. You can see the search results are here. So you can get this type of links using iframe tag. If you want to tag for a new website, so I want Microsoft Start website. It is something really this website can be get. Let's try again. I'll save it, and this web page, still this website refuses to connect. So that's the problem with that website, it refusing to connect. But that's a way to add and link another website or a video or a multimedia using iframe tag to our HTML page.